Hello guys, today I will show you how to use dual application on the LG Q60. So let's start from the open the settings. And we have go to the general and now swipe down, click on the dual app. And as you can see, currently on this device there's only one application which support dual application. So there's Facebook, and we have to of course here on the list. So click on the install. A copy of Facebook will be installed, so click on the install. Okay, so as you can see now it's turned on. So when we minimize, we have now two Facebook icons, two Facebook applications. So we can just look on the two different accounts. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.